Tired of hearing the same make money online advice that sounds good but never actually works? What if I told you there are 5 legit websites that pay real money every single day? No degrees, no camera, no fancy skills, just a smartphone or laptop and some Wi-Fi. Finding legitimate online income sources is crucial in today's digital age. With so many scams out there, it's important to know which platforms are trustworthy. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start making money from home, starting today. And no, this isn't get rich overnight stuff. This is real work from home income, backed by actual platforms that have paid people around the world, including folks just like you. In this video, we'll cover 5 websites that offer genuine opportunities to earn money daily. These platforms are reliable, user-friendly, and have a proven track record. Let's dive in. 1. Rev.com. Rev is a transcription platform that pays people daily to convert audio into text. It's a fantastic opportunity for those who have a knack for listening and typing. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to make extra cash, Rev offers a flexible way to earn money. If you can listen and type, you're hired. The process is straightforward and doesn't require any specialized skills or prior experience. All you need is a good command of the English language and the ability to type accurately. Here's how it works. Sign up as a transcriptionist, pick from a list of available gigs, listen to the audio, and type what you hear. The platform provides a variety of audio files, from interviews and podcasts to lectures and meetings, so there's always something new and interesting to work on. Submit and get paid via PayPal. Payments are processed weekly, ensuring you have a steady stream of income. You can track your earnings and see how much you've made from each job. You can make 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. The rate varies depending on the complexity and length of the audio file. This means that the more you work, the more you can earn. That means a 20-minute audio can get you $10 to $20 depending on complexity. Imagine doing several of these in a day. The earnings can add up quickly. Multiply that by 5 in a day, you do the math. It's a great way to supplement your income or even replace a part-time job. Rev has over 72,000 freelancers already cashing in. This community of transcriptionists is diverse, with people from all walks of life finding success on the platform. You don't need to be a native English speaker, just have decent grammar and good ears. The platform provides guidelines and resources to help you improve your transcription skills. I know a guy who started doing this while watching Netflix in the evenings. No joke. He found it to be a relaxing way to earn extra money without having to leave the comfort of his home. Now he pulls in $500 a week just transcribing podcasts. It's amazing how quickly the earnings can add up when you find a rhythm and stick to a schedule. Another example is Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who makes an extra $300 a week. She balances her transcription work with her household responsibilities, making it a perfect fit for her lifestyle. To get started, visit rev.com, sign up, and complete your profile. The sign-up process is simple and user-friendly, guiding you through each step. Next, take a short transcription test. Once approved, you can start picking jobs. The test ensures that you meet the basic requirements and are ready to take on transcription tasks. Work at your own pace, submit your work, and get paid. It's that simple. You have the freedom to choose when and how much you want to work, making it a flexible option for anyone. Many have turned this into a full-time gig, earning a steady income from home. With dedication and consistency, you too can make a significant income through Rev.com. 2. User testing. Get paid to talk about websites. This one's wild. User testing literally pays you to test websites and give your opinion out loud. Here's how it works. You sign up, pass a quick sample test. Brands like Microsoft, Airbnb, and Canva give you websites to try. You explore the site, talk about what works or what's confusing. Submit your review and boom, you get paid $10 per 20-minute test. Some users report earning $50 to $100 per day doing simple tests during lunch breaks. Just Google user testing payment reviews, you'll find hundreds of people showing PayPal proof. They've been around for years. 3. Clickworker. If you've got a smartphone and just 10 minutes, Clickworker is your friend. They pay you to do small tasks like categorizing images, data entry, short surveys, and recording voice clips. Yes, really. You can also transcribe audio, test apps, and review products. Each task pays a few cents to a few dollars and it adds up. Do 20 tasks a day? You can hit $30 to $50 daily, depending on your pace. They pay via PayPal weekly or even daily, and they're global friendly, which is perfect if you're outside the US. A student in Kenya I saw on Reddit uses Clickworker to pay for her school supplies. All she does is complete quick voice tasks on her phone between classes. To maximize your earnings, check the Clickworker dashboard regularly, set task priorities, and plan your daily tasks efficiently. Textbroker, write and get paid today. It's a platform where your words can turn into cash. If you enjoy writing or just want to try it, TextBroker lets you write articles for real clients. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a complete beginner, there's a place for you here. And they pay per word. This means the more you write, the more you earn. It's a straightforward way to monetize your writing skills. No blog, no portfolio, no problem. TextBroker doesn't require you to have a pre-existing body of work. You can start fresh. You write a short sample, they rate you 1 to 5 stars, and boom, you get access to available gigs. The better your rating, the higher paying jobs you can access. Payouts range from $13 to $45 per 1,000 words depending on your level. This means that as you improve, your earnings can significantly increase. That's up to $90 to $100 a day, even if you only write 2 to 3 articles. Imagine the potential if you dedicate more time. You don't need to be a writer. Anyone with a passion for words can succeed here. One of my friends literally used ChatGPT to write simple blog posts, edited them a bit, and made over $400 last month from TextBroker. Just don't copy-paste. Use it as a tool to enhance your writing. Add your voice. Your unique perspective is what will make your articles stand out. Successful articles often include well-researched content like health tips or how-to guides. These topics are always in demand. Product reviews and travel experiences are also popular. Sharing your personal experiences can resonate with readers. Make sure to edit your work and add personal touches to stand out. Attention to detail can make a big difference in your ratings and earnings. Pico Workers, get paid for simple online tasks. Now rebranded as Sprout Gigs, this site pays you to follow someone on TikTok, like YouTube videos, sign up for websites, and post comments. These are quick 1-minute jobs, and each one pays between 10 cents to $1.50. It adds up fast if you do 20 to 50 tasks a day. Thousands of reviews on Trustpilot and YouTube show payment confirmations. People from Nigeria, India, and the Philippines are using this to earn daily cash with just a phone. Have you ever been paid to like a YouTube video before? That's literally what this is. Other tasks include sharing posts on Facebook, retweeting on Twitter, and completing surveys. Users from Brazil, Kenya, and Bangladesh also report earning daily cash. You can also get paid for leaving reviews, rating apps, and commenting on blog posts. Let's recap the top websites that pay you daily. First, Rev.com. Turn audio into cash by transcribing and captioning. User testing. Earn $10 per test by providing feedback on websites and apps. ClickWorker. Complete various microtasks for consistent earnings. TextBroker. Write articles and get paid per word. Pico Workers. Perform small gigs and earn money daily. To maximize your earnings, consider combining these platforms. For example, you can transcribe on Rev and write on TextBroker. Or test websites on user testing and complete microtasks on ClickWorker. Remember, you don't need to do them all at once. Pick 1 or 2, stick to them, and start seeing results. Stack 2 of these together, like ClickWorker and Rev, and you could be hitting $100 a day consistently in no time. If you got value from this video, smash that like button so YouTube shows this to more people. Subscribe for more daily side hustle gems. No fluff, just the real stuff. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Subscribe for more detailed guides and tips. Gap2S. Still craving more ways to make money online? You're in luck because there are plenty of opportunities out there that can help you earn some extra cash from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or just want to make a few extra bucks, these websites can be a great resource. Let's dive into 3 more legit websites that pay daily. First up, Swagbucks. This platform has been around for years and has a solid reputation for paying its users on time. Swagbucks is a popular platform where you can earn points called SB for doing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and even shopping online. The tasks are straightforward and can be done in your spare time, making it a convenient way to earn some extra money without much effort. Once you rack up enough SB, you can redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards. The redemption process is quick and easy, so you won't have to wait long to get your hands on your earnings. For example, you could earn 100 SB just by watching a few short clips and answering some questions. It's a simple and effective way to make money in your free time. Next, we have Inbox Dollars. Similar to Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars pays you for completing everyday online activities such as reading emails, playing games, and taking surveys. The variety of tasks available means you can choose the ones that best fit your interests and schedule. The best part? You get a $5 bonus just for signing up. This is a great incentive to get started and see how much you can earn. Imagine getting paid for checking your email or playing a quick game during your break. It's a fun and easy way to make some extra cash without having to put in a lot of effort. Lastly, let's talk about Fiverr. This platform is perfect for freelancers who want to offer their services and get paid quickly. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can offer services starting at $5. Whether you're good at graphic design, writing, or even voiceovers, Fiverr gives you the opportunity to showcase your skills and get paid quickly. The platform is user-friendly and makes it easy to connect with potential clients. For instance, if you're a writer, you could offer to write blog posts and get paid as soon as your work is accepted. The more gigs you complete, the more your reputation grows, leading to even more opportunities. So there you have it. 3 more websites to help you boost your income daily. These platforms are reliable and have been proven to pay their users consistently. Give them a try and watch your earnings grow. With a little bit of effort and consistency, you can start seeing results in no time. Now go ahead and explore these options. Each of these websites offers unique opportunities to earn money, so find the one that works best for you and get started. Gap2S. And remember, the key to success is consistency and persistence. The more you engage with these platforms, the more you'll learn how to maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching and happy hustling. Keep pushing forward and you'll see the rewards of your efforts. Gap2S. Until next time, keep exploring and keep earning.